All right, so here's the 3 homes. So obviously this one's 1 block away. We're gonna look at these 3 homes. All right, so all I do is click the homes. I'm clicking CMA. I already have my I'll just do it for y'all, pages. Only thing I care about is comparables, which I already have mine set up to do this already. I click finish. I go to page 3 on my report and page 7. I'm doing this driving at 75 miles an hour. Okay, I'm doing this driving at 75 miles an hour. Only thing I care about is what? The price per square foot. The average price per square foot is $139.38. And then I'm going to go down to page 7. And I'm going to look at my highest price per square foot that I could come up with is $193, right? So I have $139 and $193. Put that in your brain. All right. So this particular home, Jill said, I go to public records if I'm in Georgia. Public records. It's coming up here, which is the tax record for you guys in another state. What's the address, Jill?
35 Cub Lane. It's in Newton County.
Blaine. Watch this. Okay. This is all the people. Blah, blah, blah. All I care about is say, okay, let's see how I close. They're saying it's worth $386,100. I'm writing that down somewhere. $386,100. I'm going back up to see the square footage because we don't have access to comp flow anymore. As you see, this is the problem with real estate agents. The tax assessor has 1 square footage. The MLS has another. We'll err on 2585 as a square feet for the home. So all I'm gonna do is take 386,100. I'm trying to figure out what these people are coming up with, divided by the square footage. 386,100 divided by 2585 equals $149.36 a square feet. You guys with me?
Yes.
Why did you pick the MLS's number?
I'm under a timer. Save your questions till later. Save your questions. I'm under a timer right now. I'm just showing you how to price a home. You can get all your questions answered.